protest, I report through the only media, newspaper. That's it. After that, we approached to the authority DC. He has called the urgent meeting on 4th. On that 4th, it has been decided, okay, we will discuss the meeting, etc., etc. But nothing is been happened. Again, DC has called a meeting today. Certain demands what they are making, we have already given the payment to them as per the discussion made, as per the government of the notifications, Meghalaya, that loading in Meghalaya and unloading in Meghalaya will be paid accordingly. Now they are telling 0 point etc., which we don't remember. There was no such discussion previously about the 0 point etc. However, we have made a commitment in writing. If previously there is some less dispatch in particular in Banihar, that around 700 ton per day, which we have agreed about 1100 metric ton per day. And on the basis of that, the plant has been, discussion has been made. Now, today's discussion, we have also agreed today that if they are not agree, we will discuss among our members to increase further more quantity to dispatch in Banihar. But sir, this is purely depends on the requirement of the market. This is not necessary, just we are to dispatch whatever the quantity is needed as per the association. This is as per the requirement of the market. We can dispatch whatever they like if the consumption is more. In Meghalaya, only 8 to 10% cement consumption. And our lot of the cement is going for outside. Anyway, that the present DC has agreed about the 6 persons from the association side, and from our side we will discuss among them. Tomorrow again we will sit down with the DC and we try to come on the conclusion. Yeah. They have stopped all the vehicles, cement and clinker on the way. Even that, certain raw materials vehicles was coming from the outside. They have also been stopped. And if these will be not been allowed by the government, which this thing or by them also, this industry will suffer a lot, may close also.
We have come to the conclusion that the demand has to be met, and tomorrow we'll have a meeting along with the Cement Factory Association. We'll have a agreement that they do and don't, like what they cannot do, what they can do. So after that, I hope that it will be settled, it will be final and binding. Actually, today we have put the point with during a meeting. We are the locals, we are deprived of business opportunities we are getting. Actually, what has happened, if they are not giving us an opportunity, where will we go? Where will we go for business? Should we go to UP? Should we go to Punjab? Should we go to Assam? If we didn't have that right and justice to do a business, why should they interfere? Why should they have all the fun and have all the business opportunity here?